To Crack's Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today we're making pastrami with these pork ribs. First thing we gotta do is take these out of the package and take the membrane off. And we're gonna be doing an equilibrium wet brine on these. It's gonna be a 3-day brine. And that's about it. I got these from Wild Fork. They look like they're pretty straight. First thing we're gonna do, get one of these extra large 2.5 gallon Ziploc bags. We're gonna put kosher salt, brown sugar, pink curing salt. You gotta make sure you measure this stuff. I'll have all the measurements in the description. And then toasted pickling spice. And to that we're going to add a gallon of distilled water. Seal that up and give that a good mix. Now we can add our pork ribs. I went with a smaller rack of ribs so I could do it in a bag. Now you want to squeeze out all the air. So we'll place this in the fridge. All right, we'll see you on, what's today, Wednesday? So we'll see you Saturday. All right, we pulled these out of the brine. We rinsed them off. We're gonna take a cup of brown sugar and a cup of 16 mashed pepper. 50-50, you're not gonna need any salt. The brine had plenty of salt in it. All right, 1 cup of pepper. We'll start with the back side. Give it a nice coating. We'll do the sides. And we'll do the top side. We'll press that in. We'll get the Weber fired up. I got a 2x1 snake with some hickory chunks on there. I got my ThermoPro TP25 to monitor the temperature. I'm gonna smoke this probably at a higher temp than normal, probably close to 300. I don't need to spritz this because of the brine, so as long as it doesn't look like it's getting too dry. We'll check on this in an hour. Well, we're at the hour mark, so it's time to take a look. Looks pretty good. Like I said, these don't have to be sprayed down. Yeah, we're just gonna keep rocking. Keeping it around 275 right now. Anywhere 275 to 300 I think is good for these. All right, we'll check on them in probably another hour. We're at the 2-hour mark. It's time to take a look at them. Look pretty good. Not drying out. Gonna keep rocking these. At the 3-hour mark. So because this is laying pretty flat, it's actually having a problem building a nice bark. I will take the ribs, I'll prop this gate open. I'll take the ribs and set it like that. I will turn these so it's away from the fire. That'll help drain everything off the bark. We're at the 4-hour mark. I want to start checking the temperature. See how bark feels pretty nice. 170, 75 in the thinner end. At the 5-hour mark, I want to check these, see how I'll do the bend test on them. Oh yeah, these are that's what you want. These are done. We're gonna put them in a dry cooler and let them rest for probably half an hour. After 5 hours on the smoker, unwrapped, and this looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. I'll flip this over, cut. That way we can see the bones. They look amazing. You see it cured all the way through. That's crazy. That is excellent. I mean, definitely, this is definitely worth trying. Very tasty. There's so many different ways you can cook ribs. This is just one of them. I mean, look at that. Nice bite through. Lost some of the bark. Really should try it. It's excellent. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Threads, of course YouTube. Go to our website, crackscountrycooking.com. We got seasonings and rubs, recipes, all sorts of stuff on there. All right, see ya. Dinner time.